Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, you guys. It's 8 right now. Ooh, I received an order. Let me go check. It was a bad order. $11 for 8.6 miles. Shopping order. Shopping for 6 items. Bad order. So, you guys, it's 8 a.m. right now. Today I'm planning to work the whole entire day, and my goal for today, I want to make $200. Can we make $200? Can we make over $200 today? Let's see, y'all. Let's see how long it's going to take. How long it's going to take us to make this $200. All right. So let me sit here and relax and wait for my first order. All right, y'all. After 25 minutes waiting, finally received a good order. Right now it's 8:42, y'all, and I received this order $18 for, it's going 5.5 miles, and it's 2 drop off, and my pickup time is 9:05. So I have like 25 minutes sitting here and waiting for that order to start my order. I don't know why they pushed it on 9:05. They usually, I have no idea, y'all. I don't know why, because right now it's 8:40 and my pickup time is 9:05. That's like 25 minutes waiting. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. But let's just wait, let's just sit here and wait. Okay, y'all, it's 9:13 right now. She's loading my groceries in, and so we can take off. 9:13. That first drop off, it's going upstairs. Oh, to be here. Second drop off. Let's go. All right, y'all. So far, it's going bad. So far, it's going bad. It's 10:06 right now, and I'm still waiting for my second order. Haven't get a second order yet. So far, it's bad. So let's keep waiting. Yo, after a while, like, oh my gosh, hours later, just received another order, $17. It's going 4 miles, and it's 3 drop off. So it's a curbside order. Let's wait for them to bring it out. First drop off. Let's get this thing over here. It's deliver our second drop off. Okay, do I need my thing? All right, let's drop this last drop off. Yo, it's been so slow, yes, but I just received this order. Oh, I forget to screenshot it. $24 going 3 miles, and it's a shopping. And when I went to check how many items to shop, y'all, I was like, oh no, there's no way I'm doing this order. There is no way I'm doing this order. So it says 1 item, which was 1 case of water, but the quantities was 10. So both of them was like 10 case of water. Shopping, y'all. Shopping, 10 case of water. So that would take me like 2 carts going to shop. So I decline. So let's sit here and keep waiting for my orders. So I haven't been working in the morning for a very long time. But this morning, y'all, it was super slow. So right now it's 12:05. Let me see how much I can get in this afternoon, y'all, because in the morning I only did 2 orders. Super slow. Super slow. So let's see how is the afternoon gonna be. It is 12:40 right now. I just received my 3rd order of the day. 3rd order of the day. What a day, y'all. What a day. And I do not want to multi-up, y'all. I do not want to multi-up. So, $21 going 7 miles, 7.9. So that's 8 miles. 3 drop-off. So, let's sit here and wait for them to bring it out. My order is coming. I know that's mine. All right, let me open the trunk for her. 24.20. Yo, she's done putting my groceries. Loading my groceries. So let's go drop our first order, which is 3 minutes from here. Only 3 minutes. Let's go. My first drop off. I'm not gonna use my wagon because I'm just dropping over there, y'all. I'm just dropping over there. So let's go. Alright, all done. Let's go and drop my second drop off. Alright, my second drop off. Let's go on 2nd floor, y'all. And we're going to need a passcode for this order. Oh shoot, my key's in there. Let me grab my key. Hello, you have a passcode?
Yeah.
Okay. My 3rd order. Ooh. Let's go delivery. $23 for 4 miles, and it's the 3 drop off. So let's wait for our pickup time and wait for our order. Y'all, after waiting for 20 good minutes, y'all, 20 good minutes, they just canceled my order. Yo, they just canceled my order. Oh my god. But it's okay. It's alright. Let's sit here and wait for another one. It happens sometimes. Things like this happens. Girl. It's dead today. Today is not it. It's not it, y'all. It's not it. I think this is going to be my last one and I'm just going home. It's not it. It's dead. When I say dead, believe me. Comment down below, how is your area? Like, let me know. Anyway, I received an order, $23. It's going 5 miles. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 33 items. Yeah, this is my last one, and I'm done. It's dead. The last one, no, there's more. Yo, I'm done shopping. We're about to drive 11 good minutes. 11 minutes. Let's go. Yeah, I'm here and I'm going upstairs. I'm gonna make 2 trips. Yo, I think I told you that my last order was going to be my last order, which it is. So I am ending my shift here. It was super slow. It was so dry. I worked for 8 hours, y'all. I worked for 8 hours. So this is how it was. Like, for this hour, I got an order. The next hour, I didn't get an order. For the next hour, I got an order. For the next hour, I didn't get an order. That's how it was in between. Like, there was an hour in between that I didn't receive no orders. That's how I end up working these 8 hours. And guess how much I made in these 8 hours, y'all? $81, not even $100, and my goal was to make 200. So days like this, yes, it will come. It's not only today, I know in the future it will come again. So we just need to prepare for days like this. And if there is a day that you make a lot of money, don't go spend it now. Spend some and save some, because they're like, days like this, they're not ending right here. So I'm ending my shift right now. I'm taking myself home to relax. Thank you guys for watching. If you're watching the video through the whole entire video, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to thumbs up. Bye for now. I love ya.